Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to log out of your Twitter account. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to your home page in Twitter and to the leftmost top corner you'll be having your Twitter profile. Just select that, and here if you just scroll down at the bottom you will be having settings and support. Just expand that, and here we will be having settings and privacy. Just click that. And now you will be having the settings appearing over here. We need to click on the first option, which is your account. And in this, we need to select account information. And here at the bottom, we will be having an option called as logout. Just click that. And it will ask, it will remove all the data. Just click on logout. So here you can see, now I am inside my another Twitter account. I hope you have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I run a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.